If you want to create a video in OpenArt, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step so you can go from an idea to a finished AI-generated video in just a few minutes. Whether you're making content for social media, marketing, storytelling, or just testing out AI video tools, OpenArt gives you a simple way to generate videos using text prompts, images, and references. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the OpenArt homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and hover over the video button. This is where OpenArt keeps its video creation tools, and it's the starting point for everything we're doing today. When you hover over it, you'll see the available video options appear. From there, choose either text to video or image to video, depending on how you want to start your project. If you want the AI to build a video from a written idea, go with text to video. If you already have a visual reference and want the AI to animate or build around that, choose image to video. Both options are useful, and the right choice depends on the type of content you want to create. After selecting your video mode, you'll notice that OpenArt gives you different ways to guide the generation. One option is to add start and end frames. This is especially helpful if you want the video to begin and end with specific visuals. Another option is to use text with references. This lets you combine a prompt with visual guidance so the model has a better understanding of what you want. The good news is that both of these options still allow you to use a text prompt, so you can be as specific or as creative as you need to be. Next, upload your references from storage if you have any. These might be images, assets, or other supporting files that help the AI understand your desired style, subject, or composition. Using references can make a huge difference in the final result because it gives the model a clearer direction instead of relying on text alone. Once your references are in place, type out or paste your prompt into the prompt field. Try to be clear and descriptive here. Mention the scene, the style, the motion, the subject, and any important details you want included in the output. The more precise your prompt is, the better your results are likely to be. If you already have a prompt written elsewhere, you can simply paste it in and continue. Now scroll through the settings and decide whether you want to include audio or not. This is an important step because some projects may need sound, while others may work better as silent visuals. OpenArt gives you control over that choice, so you can tailor the output to your exact use case. You'll also want to choose the duration of the output. This determines how long your generated video will be, and it's one of the settings that can really affect the pacing of the final result. A shorter duration might work well for quick social content, while a longer duration may be better for scenes that need more time to develop. Keep in mind that these settings can vary from model to model. At the top of the page, you can change the model you're using, and each model may have slightly different available options, quality levels, or output controls. So if you don't see the exact same settings every time, that's completely normal. Just check the model selector at the top and adjust based on the tool you've chosen. Once everything looks good, do one final review of your prompt, your references, your audio choice, and your duration. This is the moment to make sure everything is set exactly the way you want it before generating. After that, hit the generate button to create your output. OpenArt will now process your request and start building the video based on the settings and prompt you provided. Depending on the model and the complexity of your input, this may take a little time, so be patient while it renders. When it's done, you'll have your AI-generated video ready to preview, download, or refine. And that's how to create a video in OpenArt. It's a straightforward workflow once you know where everything is, and with the right prompt and references, you can get some really impressive results. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more OpenArt and AI tool walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next one.